Sir, I hope it is very clear. You people aware? Sir, what is LOB? What is the blob and the CLOB? When we should go for large objects, blob type and the CLOB type, clear, right? Sir, now I will explain a small example. Okay, I want to insert blob type into the database. One image file I want to insert into the database. That's about my requirement, right? Sir, image is the blob type or CLOB type? Blob type. Regarding image itself is what? Blob type. Sir, I want to insert my image into the database. Okay, like, sir, first step, make sure table should be ready which accept blob type data, sir. Regarding which is going to accept a blob type data. How to create table which can accept a blob type? Very simple, sir. Here create table persons. I'm taking a table persons. Persons is the name of the table, sir. Next here name. Sir, first column is the name varchar 2 of 10. I'm taking the first column itself is the name varchar 2. Next second I want to upload is image file. That's why image, the name of the column is image, but this image is what type, sir? Blob type. Regarding this image is what type, sir? Blob type. So this is the way how to create table. Regarding that, sir, I want to create the table. How you can create the table with the blob type? Step is very clear for you. Next, sir, I want to insert in this person's table. I want to insert, sir, name of the person. Yes, Katrina. Regarding, sir, I want to insert name is Katrina. Next, there is one image file is there. Katrina.jpg image file is there, sir. This image file under this name I want to insert into the data. Are you able to understand, right? Sir, observe, sir, this is my file. Okay, this is the file. Katrina.jpg is the file, sir. Assume JPG or JPEG, anyway, JPG is the file. Sir, this is the binary data. Regarding it is the binary data. To read the binary data from the image file, and I want to insert that binary data into the database. To read the binary data from the file, compulsory we should go for file input stream. Remember that, sir, in the file IO concept, maybe in your core Java classes you people may heard. If you want to read the binary data from the file, from the images or audio file or video file, compulsory we should go for one file input stream concept. What is the concept, sir? Can I spell out? File input stream. Okay, just keep this point in your mind. Okay, sir, now table is ready. Sir, which file you want to store? Katrina.jpg. With that file, can you please create a file object? Okay, create file object, file object, Java file object, sir, to represent the image file. To represent the image. Sir, how to create? You know, sir, file f is equal to new file f is equal to new file of, what is the name of the file, sir? Katrina.jpg, like this, right? Assume, sir, file object is ready, which represents that. Next, sir, to read the image, to read binary data from the file, which stream is required, sir? File input stream is required. Correct or not, sir? Create file input stream object, to read the binary data, from the image, binary data from the file. Okay, sir, how to create file input stream, sir? File input stream FIS is equal to new file input stream of F. That's all. F already pointing to Katrina.jpg. That's why that's all file input stream is ready. Make sure, sir. So I have an image file there, sir. Sir, this image file, to represent that, create a file object and create file input stream for that. Clear? Up to this, any doubts, sir? Sir, anyway, database operations except first step, I didn't explain anything, sir. Now the JDBC code is going to start. Remember that. if you want to insert images, binary data, CLOB type or BLOB type into the file, highly recommended, compulsory we should go for what? Prepared statement. Are you getting right? Not recommended to go for simple statement, highly recommended we should go for what? Prepared statement. Sir, insert a query. I want to insert, right? That's why create prepared statement. I want to create prepared statement. Prepared statement PST is equal to content prepare statement, content prepare statement. Sir, what is the query? I want to insert the data into persons table, correct or not? I want to insert the data into persons table, right? Sir, what is my query? Insert into persons values sir question mark comma question mark. Okay, like sir, this is the dynamic query, sir. Positional parameter. First question mark meant for name of the person. Second question mark meant for image blob type, right? Okay, like sir, once I create prepared statement, now can you please set the values to the positional parameters? PST dot, sir, first positional parameter talks about what? Name of the person. Name of the person is always string type or not? Yes, that's why PST dot set a string of 1 comma. Remember that very carefully, sir. 1 comma. Okay, what name? I'm hard coding the name, sir. Katirna. Okay, I'm hard coding the name. What is the name I hard coded, sir? Katirna, like that. Next, sir, now take a bit very special care. Sir, set string, set int, set a double, set a float, we covered, sir, several times. But here, this one is nothing but what? Second one is what type? Blob type. If you want to set a blob type, which setter method we require to call? Can you spell out, sir? Which method? Sir, PST dot set a binary stream. Can I spell out once again, sir? What is the method name? Set a binary stream. That is the method we require to call. Okay. Now observe PST dot set a binary stream. Are you getting? PST dot set binary stream of 2 comma, set binary stream of 2 is the positional index, comma, sir, what is the second one? Blob type. To read the binary data, file input stream already you created or not? Yes, that file input stream object you require to pass. I hope already we created file input stream FIS is equal to new file input stream of F. Okay, sir, here the biggest speciality, which method we require to call, sir? PST dot set a binary stream 2 comma FIS. Clear for all of it? Sir, I created prepared statement with insert query. Next I provided normal text data. Next I provided blob type also, sir, by using file input stream. That's all. What is the next step, sir? What is the next one? Execute query. Is it update? I mean, is it insert query or not? If it is the insert query, which method we require to call? Execute update. What I will take? Int RC is equal to can I spell out, sir? PST dot execute update. PST dot execute update. If RC is equal to 0. If RC is equal to 0, sir, system.out.println record not inserted. Sir, if it is not 0, else, sir, system.out.println record inserted. Record inserted. This is the very easy, sir. Make sure if you want to insert a date value, we require to call PST.setDate. If you want to insert a blob type, we we require to call set a binary stream. This is the method what you require to remember, sir. Sir, next where we have to place this kathina.jpg in the current working directory. Sir, from where this program is running, in that location make sure kathina.jpg is available. Sir, I don't want in the current working directory. Then you can specify complete full path, some d colon Durga classes, something like absolute path also you can specify, no problem at all, sir. Sir, these are the things what you people should aware. But only thing is this one is the very important, sir. Sir, 2 means what? Positional index, file input stream. Remember that. Sir, if you want even you can specify length also. Length also instead of 2 argument, okay, we have 3 argument method also. PST dot set a binary stream, set binary stream 2 comma FIS comma, sir, length, how much length, how much binary data you want to write. If you want you can specify length also, sir, here like but in the old versions we are going to use this one, but according to Oracle 11G directly we can use this. If you are working with Oracle 10G then we require to use this one. Anyway, I specified very clearly in our material, don't worry about that. Are you able to understand, right? Sir, first step, make sure table is ready. Table is ready. Create a table which should accept sir blob type as the data. Okay, sir, create table persons name varchar to image blob. Next, create a file object to represent the image. Sir, which image you want to write? Create. Next, create file input stream to read binary data from that image. File input stream, FIS is new file input stream, right? Next, I want to insert query. Create a prepared statement for that insert query. Okay, like, sir, pst.setString of 1 comma katirna. Are you getting 1 comma katirna? pst.set binary stream of 2 comma FIS. Then automatically, do you know, sir, normal text data, this is the binary data. I said execute query. Execute query. If the query, if execute update method is going to return 0, record not inserted, otherwise record inserted. Clear for all of you, right? That's all. This is the small example, I mean sample code steps to insert blob type into the database. Okay, let me show all these steps in detail so that you people can feel more comfortable in our material. Have a look once. Observe that. Observe that. Okay, sir, these are various steps what we have, sir. Steps to insert blob type into database. What is the first step? Create a table in the database which can accept blob type data. Create a table persons name varchar 2 of 10 image blob, represent image file in the form of Java file object. Okay, sir, I created. Next, create file input stream to read binary data from that image file. Okay, well, what is the next one, sir? Create prepared statement with the insert query. I want to create prepared statement with the insert query. Insert into persons values question mark. Next, sir, set a normal data. Okay, to set a blob type we can set binary stream method. Sir, how many binary stream methods are available, sir? 3 methods. Have you observed? Int index, input stream is, input stream is, int length, input stream is long length. Oh, long length argument is there, int length argument is there. Total 3 set binary stream methods we have. But most of the times we are going to use only first method. pst.set binary stream of 2 comma FIS Oracle 11G, 2 comma FIS int length for Oracle 10G. Next, execute query. pst dot execute update. Everyone can able to understand? Sir, that's all. These are various steps you people should aware to insert a blob type into the database. If you feel comfortable with the inserting blob type, sir, inserting CLOB type with the same copy paste only. That's why make sure compulsory you have to execute the program so that CLOB type will become very easy. Up to this is the clear, right? If you feel comfortable, then I will go for the program, executable program, right? Okay, thank you, sir.